Alright, this is what Skylar's doing right now. Skylar, what are you doing? You helping with the laundry? Put all the clothes out of the laundry basket. What are you doing? Huh? You gonna put those back? Huh? You gonna put those back? Huh? Whose is that? Huh? Yeah. What are you gonna do with those? You gonna put those back? Yeah, put them back. Put them nice. Put them nice. Okay, alright, you go on the floor, I guess, huh? Okay, good job. What? Oh, that one don't go in there? Oh, we're gonna put that one on the floor. Alright, say bye. Say bye. Bye. Skylar, you're making a mess.